magandang luto na naman dito sa oyster mushroom. Kung kahapon razor clam, if yesterday razor clam digging, now is a oyster mushroom foraging. Okay guys, what the good idea or recommend how to cook this one? Is it saute with the shrimp, with the meat, chicken, or with the soup, or whatever? O, diba? Oyster mushroom na naman guys tayo. And then, syempre, ayan na siya guys, ang lalaki. Oh, grabe. Oh, oyster mushroom, wild. Oh, nag-foraging na naman kaming laki-laki. Oh, oyster mushroom guys. Grabe, grabe na itis, ang lalaki. Oh, diba? Yan. So, it's too big, right? Many oyster mushroom, you know. Here in America, if you're not lazy, you're not hungry. And then, if you want to eat fresh, you can do all what you want. As long you're not lazy, go foraging, go digging, like seafood, o, diba? See, yan, lahat ba? Hindi ka magugutom dahil sa dami ba naman ng mga pagkain dito sa Amerika. Ngayon, ang gagawin ko is igisa ko lang, isote with the vegetable at igisa ko ng fresh bagoong alamang. Siya guys, igigisa na siya natin ng bagoong alamang. Yan. So, yan, isote ko siya. Gusto ko sana igata. I should cook with the coconut milk and a shrimp, fresh shrimp. But this time, I gonna saute only with the ginger, onion, and garlic, and not the fresh shrimp. It's a fish shrimp. Bagoong ba? Salted shrimp. Yan. We're gonna gisa-gisa. Saute the oyster mushroom and knotweed. Guys, mainit na. So, ilalagay ko na lahat ng recado. I put my oil, ginger, onion, and garlic. Mix all together. We're gonna saute first all the ingredients and the fish shrimp. Bagoong alamang ba? Lang guys ng ricado. Ay, ang bango na. It smell good. Now we can put the paste. Shrimp paste. Ayan. Yung shrimp paste na mabanga-bango. It smell good. Holy cow guys. So, it's kind of like this is my bagoong. Yan. It smell good guys. Ayan. We're gonna saute. Cook a little bit the shrimp first. Then, we're gonna put the oyster. Ayan. It's good now. Yep. Yan o. Okay na. It smell good. And now, we're gonna put the oyster mushroom. Ito guys. Tabi muna natin yan. At saka itis. Kasi itong oyster mushroom yan. Lagay natin ito. Isaute natin before we put the knotweed. Ayan. Na-put ginisa mix. Ayan. Ayan. We're gonna put ginisa mix. Then because I love the spicy, I put the Korean paste powder. Lalagay ko yun. And bago ko ilagay itong knotweed. Ayan. So, yan. So, parang gabi daw ang lasa. Can I mix the knotweed and the oyster mushroom, guys. One, guys, the Korean pepper. Gonna put that. Since I love the spicy. Ayan. So, mix only. When this one is cooked, then I put the knotweed. This time, I did not put the fresh shrimp or meat like a chicken. So I make different. I just saute. Okay guys, so we'll see But anything you can cook in oyster mushroom is so delicious. You see that, guys? So yummy. And the nakwood. Yummy, yummy. Guys, kumukulo na. So malapit nang matapos. So ibig sabihin, luto na ang oyster mushroom. Lagay na natin yung nakwood. Ayan. Parang asparagus ang lasa nito, guys. Ayan. Ayan, ang dami. Grabe. Ayan, oh. Nakwood, guys. That's a nakwood. Tatakpan natin kasi ang dami, oh. Daming nakwood, guys. Mukhang malapit na. Okay. Din yung firm. Paku ba, guys? Lady firm. So, I just saute again. Ayan siya, guys. Yung paku. Ang sarap. Adobo na parang salad. Okay. So, ayan siya, guys. Firm. Lady firm. Paku ba in Tagalog? Ayan, guys. It's so delicious. I just saute again. And besides, it's not only vegetable. It's a herbal medicine. Ayan. Yummy, yummy. Guys, I think look like it's done. Oh. Yummy. Ayan siya, guys. So, mangunguha tayo mamaya. Ayan na. Ayan yung nakwood and oyster. Ayan, mukhang luto na nga siya, guys. So, it's cooked already. We cannot overcook. Okay, so taste now. Maybe I gonna taste this first. And the nakwood. Ayan, before we grab some. Yep. This one first. Oh, so hot. Holy cow. It's so delicious, guys. Oyster mushroom. And the nakwood. Okay, ayan, guys. So, that's done, guys. So, that's our food for today. Yummy. It's so delicious, guys. And this one, it's kind of like sour a little bit, but it's mostly, more likely, it's like asparagus and taro. You compare, or what do you call that? Water spinach. So yummy. So good, guys. Yummy. Okay, guys. That's it. Yummy, yummy. It's so good. Oyster mushroom and nakwood with lady fern and paku sa Tagalog. Okay, kain na tayo, guys. Let's eat. Bye-bye.